let's take a look. It's worse than the photos. Focus, let's survey the structural integrity first. Barrier the main gate first.
Got it.
Check the roof and windows, documenting the damage. Placement is correct. Secure the perimeter.
All right, keep the scaffolding pieces grouped by size over there. Bring those ladders closer to the east wing, careful with the vines. We need more bricks in this wheelbarrow, let's go!
All right, lock that beam in place. Watch the fuel, careful not to spill. Got it, hand me that hose. Keep it steady. Watch that column. I've got this section, clearing the balcony now. All right, grab that bench piece. Got it. Watch the tiles, careful. Push it toward the exit. Mind the hinges, they are loose. Okay, I've got the rope secure. Secure? Slow and steady down to the ground. We've got it here, clear the area. Keep it steady. This frame is stubborn. Wire brush here, gets the tough spots. Watch the dust, guys.
The grain is really coming through now. So, it's going to be beautiful when we're finished.
Mind that corner.
Got it?
Careful with the wire. Okay, clear.
All right, scaffolding's clean.
Supplies are stacked and tied down.
Top crew, harnesses on. Get ready to inspect those rafters. We start structural in the next phase.
Keep it steady. Watch your hands, mate. Got it. Got it. Slow and easy. Clear below. Looks good. Right, let's get the next one in fast. On it. Okay, 32 inches, hold it there. 32 exactly.
Yeah.
Watch the clearance on the right. Line it up, right there. Got it, drive it in. Hand me the next one. On its way. Looks good. Just one more. Perfect fit. Let's finish the row. Line it up here.
Okay, tightening now.
Watch for that falling debris.
Got it, looks good.
Keep it steady. This one's ready to go. Got it. Watch the fall. All right, stack the timber over here. Bring in the stone now. Let's assess the staircase. We'll start rebuilding the steps tomorrow. All right, together, lift, heavy, stack it over here. Watch out for that one, it's loose. Okay, breaking this smaller piece now. Keep it tight on the center. Laser's good. Pass the mortar over here. All right, let's get this fencing secured. Careful with the new stone there. Got it. You got the measurement for the cap? Yes, marking it down now. All right, let's get this fencing secured. Careful with the new stone there. Got it. You got the measurement for the cap? Yes, marking it down now. Keep it steady. Watch the footing. It's secure. Take it down slow. Clear the base. Keep it level, please. Looks good. Looks good. Sponging the excess. The structure is sound here. We'll move the props now. Looks good. Let's look at the next floor. All right, got the first one. Careful with the railing, it's brittle. Let's move to the next section. Severe rot here. Mark this one for replacement. Copy that. Bring in the new timber over. Fits perfectly. Check the level. Looks good. Securing with brackets. Keep working on this section. Checking the drainage. Looks like we'll need to reinforce it here. Yeah. Roger that. Keep stacking the limestone there. All right, this window is next. I need 2 more bags of plaster for this section.
The restoration of the left wing is complete, a testament to the effort, while the right wing awaits its transformation.
Okay, that's loose enough. Got it. Watch out below. Bucket's getting heavy. Keep it steady there, John. Got it. Need to press this deep. That's it. Looks good. Keep the texture light here. Yeah. We don't want to lose the detail. Almost done with this section. Keep it tight over there. Got it. Watch that edge. Thanks. Pulling this one. All right, careful here. That beam's completely shot. Measure from the good wood. We'll replace this whole section. Watch the rope on that side. Move it steady. Almost there. Keep pulling. Lock it into place now. Keep stacking them over here. All right, this is the last of the drywall. Careful with that flooring. Coming inside. Keep stacking them over here. All right, this is the last of the drywall. Careful with that flooring. Coming inside.
Keep moving that towards the exit. All right, coming through with the plaster. With the plaster.
We'll have to replace these center slabs entirely.
Okay, marking them now. The laser shows a 2-inch drop on the left side.
Okay, slowly bring it down. A little more to the left. Right there, right there. Perfect. Hold it steady.
Hold that tight. We need these perfectly aligned.
Looks good. Check the level again. Does that look straight to you? Yes, the alignment is perfect. Go ahead and secure it.
Watch the crystals on the left. Easy, easy. Right.
Got it. It's touching down now. Okay, secure.
Stack the plaster here. Watch the cables. Let's open it up. A little tighter on the left. Perfect. Looks seamless from here. Great work. All right, team, let's get this organized. We start on the ceiling plaster as soon as we get inside. Roger that. These floors are gonna be a nightmare.
All right, let's get this plaster and wood cleared out. Vacuum's on. Focus on the ceiling collapse first.
Watch the mirrors, guys. Don't touch the table yet.
This section here is completely shot. Okay, let's get the new piece in and bolted down.
I'm almost finished with this patch. Okay, I just finished the fasteners on the south wall.
We've covered about half the ceiling now.
Good. We should be done with this section by lunch.
We need to crimp this connection before the drywall goes up.
All right, just make sure you're clear of the junction box.
How's the bubble look right there?
Looks dead on. The laser matches up too.
We need to get these fixtures down the hall now.
All right, I've got the tiles ready too. Okay, bring it down just a hair on the left. How's that look with the laser? Perfect, lock it in.
We're ready for the primer on this wall.
Okay, we just need another hour on the mantelpiece before we polish.
Okay, lift your side slightly, like this.
Does that align the hinge?
Almost. Hold it there.
All right, the recessed lights are in.
Perfect. I'll start on the curtains now.
Let me know if you need help with the ladder. All right, let's lift this marble slab together on 3.
Watch the laser line, keep it steady. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, hold it right there.
Got it. Looks good.
Just a hair more to the left. Just a hair more to the left. Perfect. Steady, steady. Lower it right there.
Perfect fit.
And the water pressure is strong. We did it. That bench is set. How's the fountain looking? Ripples are steady. Looks like we're all set here.